Hey, what's up guys, I'm Sarang and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video I'm going to unbox and take a review on Mobiistar C1. With that being said, you should leave a like, subscribe to the channel, then let's get started. It is the box which Mobiistar C1 comes in. In the back, you can get to see some specification. I brought this phone from an offline shop which cost me around 6,000 rupees. Now let's peel the plastic off. Let's break the seal and unbox it. First of all, you can see user manual with warranty card. Next, the phone itself. Let's take out from the plastic. I have the blue color here. Then let's keep it aside. Let's check out what else we get in the box. We get USB to micro USB cable, SIM ejector tool, which means this won't have non-removable battery. A charger adapter which have output of 5 volt and 1 amp. Then let's give a first boot to the phone. Now let's take a physical overview. And you can get to see 5.34-inch 18:9 HD IPS display with 2.75D curve. In right you can see volume rockers and power button. In left SIM tray. In bottom speakers and micro USB port. In top 3.5mm headphone jack port. In back it have 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flashlight. Here are some sample shots.
Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life. You'll see clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
In front it have proximity sensor, earpiece and 8MP camera. Have ARM Cortex A53 1.27 GHz quad-core processor. This phone is packed with 3000 mAh battery. It have face unlock and smart unlock, and the face unlock is not very fast. It runs in Android Oreo 8.1. Then that's all for this video guys. Click the red subscribe button for more videos. Like and share this video. Then I will catch you guys in the next video.